Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pesto for pasta full guide. Start by toasting 2 cups basil leaves and 1/2 cup pine nuts, then pulse with 2 cloves garlic, 1/2 cup olive oil, 1/2 cup grated parmesan, and salt to taste until smooth. Adjust texture with extra oil or lemon juice, and reserve pasta cooking water to loosen sauce and help it cling to noodles creamy. Measure ingredients accurately and taste as you go to balance flavors. Use fresh basil, good olive oil, and quality parmesan for best results. If pine nuts are expensive, substitute toasted walnuts or almonds to save money and add a different flavor profile. Keep sauce bright by avoiding overprocessing and stir in pasta water to create a silky emulsion that coats each strand evenly for a restaurant-quality finish and easily. If you're finding this helpful, please totally subscribe and like to support more recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum Voice Control, perfect for cleaning up after pasta nights with minimal effort. Check the description for the link and other deals to save time and money. Thanks for watching and supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Chop basil roughly before pulsing to preserve color and fresh aroma while achieving even texture. Use a food processor and pulse in short bursts to avoid heating the leaves, scraping down sides between pulses for uniformity. Finish by stirring in a splash of pasta water and extra parmesan, then toss with hot pasta off the heat to prevent wilting. Store leftovers in a thin layer of oil to keep vibrant green and fresh.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.